Yes, students, we'll continue with homologous series. Now, next example, one alcohol family. This is one homologous series, alcohol family. Now, second homologous series, I am taking alkane. An alkane, students, general formula is CnH2n plus 2. And N denotes number of carbon atoms. And when carbon atom 1, hydrogen will be double of carbon plus 2 for alkanes, and there is single bond between carbon atoms in alkanes. Okay, so first alkane is methane. Meth means one carbon atom, double of 1 twos are 2, plus 2, 4. So hydrogen will be 4, CH4. Methane. Meth means one carbon, ane means single bond. Okay, next. Two carbon atoms, when carbon atoms 2, hydrogen will be double of carbon, 2 twos are 4 plus 2 means 6, C2H6. So, two carbon atoms, the word root used is eth, single bond between carbon atoms, so ane, ethane. Like this two carbon atoms, this methane you can represent this way, CH4. Ethane, two carbon atoms with single bond, then satisfy the valency of carbon by hydrogen. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4. So, what becomes the formula? CS3, CS3. So, you can write C2H6 or CS3, CS3 for ethane. Next, 3 carbon atoms, prop. And hydrogen will be double of carbon, 3 twos are 6 plus 2, 8. So, these 3 carbon atoms you can show by single bond, then satisfy the valency of carbon by hydrogen 1, 2, 3, 4. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. So, C3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, C3H8. So, this is CS3, then CH2, then CS3. Okay. So, no bonding means single bond between carbon atoms. So, here what is the functional group? You cannot see alcohol group or aldehyde or carboxylic acid. So, what is common in all these compounds? Single bond between carbon atoms. Between carbon atoms, single bond. So, single bond between carbon atoms means this come under which family? Alkane. So, these all compounds, methane, ethane, propane, they all come under which homologous series? Alkane. And you can represent all the members of this homologous series by a general formula CnH2n plus 2. Okay, and two successive members if you see, CH4 and C2H6, or two adjacent members, agal bagal wale, two adjacent members of homologous series, if you see, difference in their molecular formula will be CH2 unit and molecular mass will be equal to 14 U difference. Like if you compare methane and ethane, 1 carbon, 2 carbon, what is the difference? 1 carbon. Then hydrogen 6 and 4, what is the difference? CH2. And by molecular mass, what will be the difference in the adjacent two members? Mass of carbon is 12, mass of hydrogen is 1. So, for mass of 2, hydrogen will be 2. So, 12 plus 2, 14U. So, two adjacent members or two successive members in a homologous series, what you see, the difference in molecular formula is CH2 unit and the difference in molecular mass is 14U. And all the members of homologous series you can represent by a general formula. Okay, like this alcohol family, CH4, this is alkane, methane, alkane, and this is CH3OH, one hydrogen of alkane is replaced by OH. So, if we compare alkane and this methanol, alcohol, only one hydrogen difference is here, one hydrogen. Here, one hydrogen is replaced by OH. Here, CH3, CH3, one hydrogen is replaced by OH, CH3, CH2, OH. Here CH3, CH2, CH3, one hydrogen is replaced by OH. So CH3, CH2, CH2, OH. And what is common in all these? OH. So what will be the general formula? OH will be common for all the members. And rest for this part, hydrocarbon part, CN, H2N plus 1, because hydrogen is 1 less than alkane. In all these alcohols, hydrogen is 1 less than alkane. OH is common. So separately we write OH for all these members. Then the general formula from alkane, if you compare, one hydrogen is less. So CN, H2N plus 1 OH. This becomes the general formula for this alcohol family. So all the members of a homologous series you can represent by a general formula. Okay.